Comment down correct answer before showing. 1. Indian Council for Medical Research ICMR approves to conduct Truenat test to detect which infection? Option A Dengue, Option B Nipah, Option C Malaria, Option D Tuberculosis. Correct answer B Nipah. Notes: the Indian Council for Medical Research ICMR has granted the state permission to conduct Truenat tests in certain hospitals to support Kerala's efforts to combat the Nipah virus outbreak. Truenat tests use portable, smart chip-based, battery-operated RT-PCR kits. Only hospitals equipped with Level 2 biosafety facilities, which have strict protocols to prevent sample contamination, will be allowed to use Truenat test facilities. Comment down correct answer before showing. 2. What is the new award instituted to honor scientists in India? Option A Prime Minister Vigyan Puraskar, Option B Rashtriya Vigyan Puruskar, Option C Bharat Vigyan Puraskar, Option D DeenDayal Vigyan Puruskar. Correct answer B Rashtriya Vigyan Puruskar. Notes: the Indian government has announced the establishment of Rashtriya Vigyan Puruskar, a series of awards to honor scientists in India. These awards will be presented under 4 categories, including Vigyan Ratna for lifetime achievement, Vigyan Shri for distinguished contributions, Vigyan Yuva Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar to encourage young scientists, and Vigyan Team for recognizing teams of scientists. The awards will commence in 2024 and will cover 13 domains, ranging from physics to environmental science. Comment down correct answer before showing. 3. What is the name of the first indigenous aircraft carrier of India? Option A Vikrant, Option B Bhim, Option C Virat, Option D Akash. Correct answer Vikrant. Notes: the Indian Navy has submitted a proposal to the government for the construction of its second indigenous aircraft carrier, known as the Indigenous Aircraft Carrier to IAC-2. Cochin Shipyard Limited (CSL) delivered the first indigenously built aircraft carrier IAC-1 INS Vikrant to the Indian Navy in July 2022. Comment down correct answer before showing. 4. Which city hosted the Sustainable Development Goals (SDG) Summit in September 2023? Option A New Delhi, Option B New York, Option C Paris, Option D Nairobi. Correct answer B New York. Notes: leaders from around the world gathered at the UN-hosted High-Level Sustainable Development Goals (SDG) Summit in New York and endorsed a resolute political declaration. This declaration outlines their shared commitment to creating a sustainable and inclusive world by 2030. Leaders reiterated the importance of the Addis Ababa Action Agenda and called for swift action to implement the UN Secretary-General's proposal for an SDG stimulus. Comment down correct answer before showing. 5. India has partnered with which country to deploy 10,000 made-in-India electric buses across Indian cities? Option A Germany, Option B Finland, Option C USA, Option D Australia. Correct answer C USA. Notes: India and the United States have initiated a collaboration to deploy 10,000 made-in-India electric buses across Indian cities. This partnership, announced during Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to the White House, focuses on expanding options for electric public transportation in India, fostering cleaner urban environments, and promoting healthier communities.